Anxious for what? What's gonna jump out at you through the raindrops?
That's the thing, you never know. So this is what I'm talking about. Well, not that I was talking about it, but all weekend the weather was beautiful and we didn't get out not one time. The day we decided to go out, it's rainy and it's dreary.
What are you doing, man?
All weekend the weather was beautiful. We ain't go nowhere. The day we choose to go somewhere, you know who I vote?
God. Nature. TDJ says God is not nature.
He said that? On purpose, bud? What was he talking about? Why did
Charlemagne was asking about storms and why would you worship the guy who does all that. And he's just like, we got to understand that God is not nature. Nature is, I don't know that he went into the details, but you get it.
No, I'm listening.
I don't know that he went into details, but I guess
Are you watching it?
It doesn't matter what my answer is. I still don't know that he went into details. My God.
How do you not know whether or not he was going into detail? Or maybe you don't remember the details?
Maybe it's obvious that maybe I wasn't watching it. Maybe I had walked away at that moment. Maybe I don't recall.
Well, it's your responsibility to convey that to me.
That's true, but I know people ask dumb follow-up questions all the time. I do it. You do it.
Oh, really?
Everybody does it.
So since you do it, then I do it.
I was just trying to include myself because I feel like
right?
you get defensive when I say something about you. So I wanted to bring myself into the humanity of it, which is true. I'm not lying.
Oh, okay.
Everybody asks follow-up questions when the first statement that a person put out there has literally answered their question.
Not necessarily.
Dale's critiquing my windshield wiper game.
Yeah, it's like
I don't care. I sometimes, honestly, I put the windshield wipers on for her.
Because you can see through it all?
Yeah. It's like white line silhouette of a car. Like, I mean,
That's dangerous.
at that point, how is it dangerous? Like, there's a car going to be hidden in the raindrop? Like, this doesn't bother me.
See, I'm getting anxious.
Anxious for what? What's going to jump out at you through the raindrops?
That's the thing, you never know. Like,
Hey, you
can't
do
see
know.
this clearly.
You don't need
A car could be coming out and you can't necessarily see it as well.
Oh, I can't wait to post this video so y'all can chime in. Like, how can I'm trying to figure out, like, I can see all of this. I can see this truck. This truck is here. The rain doesn't obscure my ability to see that truck.
The more raindrops that be on the windshield, the more obscure that truck became.
It's still not going to block out red. Water is translucent. You can see through it no matter how much it is.
I'm saying it still messes with the clarity of what you can see.
It's like clarity is not, if you're talking about how clearly one can see, then that's a valid point. I don't need to see clearly. I just need to be able to see.
Like that song, I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
Again, I don't need to be able to see clearly.
In my way.
I need to be able to see, period. I don't need to see clearly.
Yes, the idea is when you're driving, lives are at stake. You're operating a motor vehicle. So it's imperative that you have optimal conditions as much as you can control. So yeah, you do need clarity.
I don't need clarity.
Yes, you do need clarity.
This rain is not obscuring my ability to see this truck in front of me, this road work sign, the bus stop, the tree, the yellow line that I'm following. Yeah, it doesn't get in the way for me. It gets in the way for you. You get anxious. That's fair, but it doesn't for me.
Oh, I was all quiet. Usually he kind of chimes in. Bowling alley. You know that?
I didn't know it when Ike Man brought it up. I was like, man, ain't no bowling alley in Kennedy. Like, black and under 30. You know what you're talking about.